Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to use Qwen 3.7, the first version that's created by Agents A1 for billion. Okay, to create this nice website, as you can see about Qwen 3.7, okay, with using Ollama and VS Code to create this nice website. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go to Google and download Ollama from here. Okay, after downloading Ollama and installing Ollama, you get it right here. Double click to open it. This is Ollama. After that, minimize Ollama and return here to Google. And you can get this link on the description. This Agents A1 for billion K4 GGUF is the first version of Qwen 3.7 version. Okay, how to download this Qwen 3.7 AI agent? Okay, simply click is to go here and copy this link. After that, search for command prompt, copy it and hit enter, and the install link of the Qwen 3.7 is begin. Okay, as you can see guys, the installation of Agents AI 1 Qwen 3.7 is finished. Let's test it for them. Let's say hi. Okay, as you can see, it works fine. Let's move to the next step. Let's close it. Open VS Code. After opening VS Code, go here to File, Open Folder, create new folder, or choose any folder as you want. For example, I want to choose the C folder. Okay, after that, go ahead to restricted mode, make trust. Okay, close from here. Now, next step I want to do is to go here to extension list, search for continue, and install it. For me, I'll let install this continue. After installing continue, install this Ollama. Okay, now let's return here to continue. Go here. Okay, add chat model, choose provider Ollama, and make the model auto detect and hit connect. For me, I already connected. Okay, as you can see, my agent A1 is detected automatically. Okay, let's say for example, create website about Qwen 3.7 using HTML, CSS, and JS, and hit send. Start generating right now. Okay, it's finished to create our HTML index.html. Okay, now how to make this website works correctly? Okay, we have to go here to our folder C and create new file. The name of this file is index.html and hit enter. As you can see, this is my index.html. Let's hit apply, and as you can see, the code is slightly continue. Okay, not a problem. Select all of them, Control C, and paste it right here. Let's save, and let's return here to my folder, and let's see. Okay, as you can see, this is my Qwen 3.7 website. It works perfectly. As you can see, it's a good design created by the EA agents Qwen 3.7. Okay, thank you guys for watching. That's all for this tutorial.